Hey everyone, we have here the USB cable charger. The magnetic come with the 3 faces, and we have here 2 color, silver and red, and this is come with one meter. So just take a look at it quick. So this is the cable, come with nice rubber, smooth, and this is how it look like when you connect it with the heads. You have here 3 heads. You have here the lighting, you have here the micro USB, and you have here the type C. So simply this is come with a magnetic, so you just put it here and it's gonna connect right away, and easy to take it off and put it in, and really strong. If you try to pull it, it's hard. So let's try to charge it with the lighting for iPhone. And just few advice for the iPhone only. You see here it has this arrow, I mean you have to put it this way. So we have this iPhone, you're just gonna put it this way. Okay, and you take it off, you put it in quick, and it's come strong even like this. It's holded very good. Okay, let's try charge it. Here we go, and you have lights here. It's nice, and it's charging. And okay, you charge it, charge. If you want to take it off, it's easy, and if you want to change it, just change to another one. Simple. And let's try to see how far it's gonna go. Gonna catch it. Okay, nice. Let's see on the phone how gonna be quick. Let's say we just put it. Okay, let's put it here. Let's see. Nice. Okay, that's all. Thank you.